Alright guys, welcome back to another video. We are doing something very different to what we normally do. So, don't have a boat, we got a kayak. We're going to go up in this little freshwater system and see what we can find. Hopefully we can get into some bass, even some tarpon, maybe even find some rat barra. But yeah, let's get into it. It's almost first light now, so let's get on this water. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's a massive eel right here. Wow. Yep, got it. Yes, fish on. Oh, this is good. This is good. It's towing me. What is this? Big bass on. Big bass. Oh, big bass. That is a 50-centimeter bass on the top. On a little dialer curly kicker frog. Oh my god. I'm shaking, guys. Oh. Look at the colors on him. Wow, that's so cool. He's ready to go. Let's get him back in the water. That's sick. Fell in the water over there because it's so deep here. Oh, that's sick. That's where we got him. That's the frog that did the damage. The dialer curly kicker. Man, I'm still shaking. That's a 50 from just one of my locals. I haven't fished here in years. And that is one of my biggest bass I've got out of here. So, that is sick. So let's get back in this water. Well, there goes something huge. That gave me a heart attack. I reckon that was a tarpon. Oh, I just had a little one. He just followed that the whole way to the boat. That was sick. He was only tiny, but still sick. Off the water now, with a very wet butt. Let's see, a little bit of water came out. But other than that, all good. Very awesome little kayak for 50 bucks. But yeah, let's get out of here. Hey guys, so we're back home now, and so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was unreal chasing those bass, so we ended up dropping 2 more, other than that big 50 that we got. But we got those, all of them were on top water. Me and Ryan are keen to get back there with the yak. Cheapest yak, that's a $50 yak, and you know, it's did its job. First time I've ever used it, but yeah, it was pretty funny getting towed around that little creek by that big 50. But yeah, hey guys, so it is now a few weeks after I went on that solo mission and we got that 50 centimeter bass. So Ryan's hit me up and we're gonna go for a little look tomorrow morning and see if hopefully we can find it. So we aren't expecting too much. It has come a lot cooler in these last few weeks since I was out last time, so we're expecting the bass to be a little bit deeper and maybe not so active on the top. So yeah, we'll see what happens, but if we get one, we get one. If not, we don't. So yeah, let's get into it. Yeah, tackle rod don't sell the red ones that small. Because I was wanted to try the red ones. That'd be perfect right now. Because yeah, it's real dark. Yep, got it. Yep. What is it? It's bass. Oh, what is that? No, it's a silver perch.
Oh, it's a
spangled perch.
spangled perch. That's awesome.
There we go, little spangled perch. It's pretty cool. Let's get him back in the water. And there he goes. Oh. 2 blacks, did you see that? I got it on video. I reckon that was a tarpon. It was good wax. Yo. So guys, that's a wrap of the little session me and Ryan had this morning. So we didn't really find any bass, but we did find a few tarpon we were thinking they were. But yeah, we got a few hits on that. And then I got that little spangled perch. So we couldn't find any bass. It was a lot cooler this morning than when it was the other time I was out there. So but yeah, that pretty much wraps up this video. Hope you guys liked it. Hit that like and subscribe button. But yeah, there's something in the background here, a little sneak peek of a video that's going to come out. Won't show you the whole thing, but a little sneak peek. But yeah, hit that like and subscribe button.